Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatos. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. In today's video, I'll be showing you the update of the construction going on the Lagos Badagry Expressway, Iyana Iba precisely. There are two bridges here, the Iyana Iba overpass bridge and the Iyana Iba interchange bridge, and there is a toll gate on this section of the road. Today's video will be an update on the ongoing construction, where I will be sharing the progress of construction works, most especially on the Iyana Iba interchange access road and the bridge which will be used as alternative route to connect to the Badagry Expressway and the Iyana Iba road. Also, I will be showing you the construction update of the 280-bed Ojo General Hospital, also at the same location. The Iyana Iba access road will be tolled as toll booths are already being constructed along the road, similar like what is happening at the Alakija access road to Lake to Festac Town. As you can see from the video, the progress of construction works going on the interchange compared to the last time I came here, as the road construction is taking shape. The Iyana Iba interchange bridge is located around Pako bus stop at Iyana Iba on the Lagos Badagry Expressway. Interchange will serve as a bypass that will allow vehicles on the toll lane of Lagos and Badagry bound to connect in and out of the Iyana Iba road using the interchange loop, as this will help to reduce traffic on the Iyana Iba axis. The Lagos Badagry Expressway will have a toll section, while the service lane will not be tolled. This building are meant for the 280-bed Ojo General Hospital, which is expected to be delivered next year. This health facility will help to improve access to quality and efficient healthcare services at Ojo local government and its environment. When completed, the General Hospital will help to provide healthcare services to over 3 million citizens in Ojo local government and its environment, and this hospital will also help to reduce burden on the Alemosho General Hospital, which is located at Igodo. The ongoing construction will also make the General Hospital accessible when completed. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We meet in the next one. Peace.